Welcome to this week's edition of TOOP TV, and spring really feels like it has already sprung. Look at these gorgeous flowers and the leaves are coming out on the trees and everyone is feeling great. So get those homes on the market. But in the meantime, the properties that have hit the market this week, we have SA's finest, one at Unley, beautiful property, and at Highgate. And this week's Suburb Insider is at Harndorf, a beautiful German town. You'll learn a lot about that town and a beautiful place it is. Don't forget Going, Gone, where we talk about our successes and our souls, and there's been plenty of those recently. And we are live, we're interactive, so stay tuned and get your questions running, and we'll answer them at the end of the show. I'm looking at that Harndorf bakery thinking about my tummy right now. I haven't had lunch yet. That is a great place, and that is an awesome bakery as well, so I'm looking forward to seeing that. Now, great to see all of you out on the inspections. Last weekend I had an auction at Linden Park and there was a huge crowd there. And if that's some sign of spring, it certainly serves as some amount of optimism. And some of the sales we've had this week really show that as well. Now, today's session, in today's segment, we have a special one, which is about an agency that went wrong. A person that I knew went with another agent and things really went pear-shaped. So a bit more on that later. But now for the inside story on the investor confidence.
With all of the doom and gloom currently surrounding real estate, it's no surprise this negative publicity has spooked investors from the property market.
So how much do you think the media plays a part in what people are thinking about property?
Pretty substantial.
However, the current conditions make it the perfect time to buy property.
Warren Buffett has a very famous quote which says, be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. And at the moment the markets are fearful.
With house prices falling and demand for rental properties remaining steady, returns for investors are improving. According to RP data, the suburbs with the greatest rental yields in Adelaide are Port Adelaide, Elizabeth North and Elizabeth Downs. So for those who are cashed up and smart about their purchases, now is the perfect time to buy. If investors don't act now, they could regret it in years to come when property prices start to rise again.